Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to Fashion Sense. Today we are exploring some of the most unique and avant-garde heel design that are pushing the boundaries of footwear fashion. Whether you are a trendsetter looking to stand out or just someone who appreciates artful design, these heels are sure to make a statement. Let's step into the world of extraordinary footwear. Let's start with sculpture heels, a design category that merges fashion and fine art. These aren't just shoes, they are masterpieces. Imagine stepping into a heel shaped like a twisted spiral or one that looks like it's been carved out of a single block of marble. Sculptural heels are all about bold artistic forms and they can turn the most basic outfit into a work of art. What's fascinating about these heels is how designers are making with unexpected materials from metallic surfaces that shimmer in the light to organic shapes that seem almost impossible to balance on. You will see a mix of materials like wood, metal, and even glass, carefully created into shapes that make you stop and stare. This trend is for the bold, those who don't just want to wear shoe but want to make a statement with every step they take. Sculptural heels add dimension and texture to your look, making them perfect for special events or even as a statement piece on display in your closet. Next, let's glide into the world of transparent and lucite heels. These heels have this futuristic vibe that makes them look like something from another era or another planet. The transparent material, usually lucite or aeroslide, gives the illusion of floating as you are walking on air. What's really special about this trend is how it can transform depending on the design. Some transparent heels are completely clear, offering a minimalist, almost ethereal look that pairs well with any outfit. Others come with a pop of color embedded in the lucite, giving you a splash of brightness or even a holographic effect that catches the light from every angle. These designs are playful and edgy, perfect for those who love a modern aesthetic with a twist. Lucid heels don't you just blend in, they enhance your outfit while keeping the focus on the overall look rather than drawing attention slowly to the shoes, whether it's with a sleek dress or casual jeans. Lucid heels are your go-to for that effortlessly chic vibe. Asymmetry is making waves this season, and heels are no exception. Asymmetrical heels break away from the classic balanced look, offering something fresh and daring. Imagine a heel that's higher on one side than the other or curves in an expected direction. These heels play with proportions in ways that can feel almost futuristic. It's about embarrassing imperfection, making an intentional choice to disrupt symmetry and balance. These designs are for those who want to push boundaries, giving your look a sharp edge. It's not just about looking good, it's about making people think twice when they see you. The beauty of asymmetrical heels lies in their unpredictability, making them a great conversation starter at events or any gathering, whether you want to stand out. Now let's talk about heelless platform. One of the most daring design out there. These shoes look like they defy the laws of gravity. No visible heel, just a curving platform that supports the foot. It's almost like an illusion. When you first see them, you might wonder how they're even wearable, but thanks to the smart design of the platform, they are surprisingly balanced and wearable. High-less platforms are inspired by avant-garde fashion and often seen on high fashion runways. They give off an otherworldly, futuristic vibe that perfect for fashion-forward individuals who love taking risks. These heels make a dramatic statement and are perfect for special occasions. They are you really want to stand out. And let's not forget the added height you get from these platforms, which can make you feel like you are walking on clouds. Last but not least, we are seeing a growing trend towards sustainability in fashion, and heels are no exception. Designers are creating stunning footwear using recycled material, think ocean plastics, repurposed fabrics, and even plant based alternatives to leather. These eco friendly heels are not only beautiful but also send a message you can look great while being kind to the planet. So there you have it. Some of the most unique, daring, and eco-friendly heel design making waves in the fashion world right now. Remember, fashion is about more than following trend. It's about embracing your own style and making it uniquely yours. So next time you are picking up a top pair of heels, don't be afraid to step into something a little daring, a little different, and a lot more you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to say updated on the latest trends and leave a comment below on which heel design stood out of the most. We can't wait to see how you rock these bold designs. Thanks for watching, fashionistas.